Hello all. Right, welcome back to again we are continuing extent report. Right, in previous class we have seen how to generate extent report. Right, what we have done previous class, just we have created Maven project, added dependency, and then simple class, and then we have created extent report. Right, it will have a lot of features compared to default and report engine. Right, it have a more robust right it is showing right in detail what date and time. We can add custom loggers and screenshots. We can create nodes. Right, it will show right tabs, different tabs we can add. Right, based on module wise, based on the device wise, we can add. Right, that is we have seen. Now we will see extent report how to generate in the listener. Right, in the listener after execution of the report. Sometimes we want to generate after execution. Right, by using the iReporter listener, we can generate extent report. Right, previous session I have explained by using iReporter listener how to create our own HTML. Right, simple HTML. But here we can generate extent report after execution. Right, how to generate? Right, you can create any project, simple test case, 2-3 test cases we can execute. Right, we can add iReporter. Right, I have created implement. What is iReporter? It is an interface. Right, it is an interface. It has a generate a report method. It has a generate a report method. It has three parameters. It will take XML source, output directory. Right, in the output directory we can generate our report, or we can generate wherever we want. Right, a list of source. Right, whatever we will execute, it will have a list of source. We will use this list of source. Right, and then this is the ITestListener. It will extend a one more interface. It is a marker interface. Right, marker interface. Right, I think you have idea. Marker interface will not contain any methods. Just it is a public interface. That's marker interface provides a special features to the whoever extend or implement it. Right, it will provide special feature to iReporter. It will become like a listener. Right, now we can create. I have created one extent report using iReporter some class implements iReporter interface. Right, it has a generate report method. It has a three arguments: list of XML suits, list of iSuits, and then output direct. Right, limit. We will use suits. Right, our results will come under suits. Right, here what is the previously also we have created. If we want to create generate extent report, what we have to do? We have to create the extent report object first thing, and then extent spark reporter. We have seen in the 5.x we will have a spark reporter. If we are using old one, we will have a HTML reporter. Right. Then where I want to generate report, they have given already argument output directory, or wherever we want we can generate. They have given output directory means right, that is the test output. By default it will generate under test output. If you want any specific folder, we can give also. Right, output directory slash extend.html extend.ht. Right, it will generate a report here. Right, then attach report extend.attach report. Right, just I have added attach report. Then we can iterate. This is the list of iSuits. Right, we can iterate one by one suit. Currently, we will execute only one suit. If we are executing multiple suits, right, in single TestNG we can include other TestNG files also. Then it will become multiple suits. Right, suit dot get results. How to get the first results we have to get? It will return the map of object. Map of string comma iSuit result. Then from each result we have to get the values. From each iSuit result we have to get the values. right? Then it will return the issued result. We will get one by one issued result. From the issued result, we need to get the again get test context, right? We need to get the test context, right? Then from the test context, we will get actual pass test, fail test, skip test, right? I want to build, right? We can just, this is our custom method. What we will do, we will take first pass test cases and one more parameter pass. I am sending, right? Build nodes, what it will do, right? We are sending pass test cases and then status, right? If test status, right, size is greater than 0, then get the all the results of one by one result. From the result map, get all the results, right? Loop for it result, then create. For each test case we required create test, right? Previously also we have seen for each test method, right? TestNG test method we required extend dot create test. How to get the method name, result dot get method dot get method name. We will get the method name, we will create one test, then test dot assign category, right? This is the TestNG XML. Suppose if you take this one, right? This one, login Chrome test, login Firefox test, login Edge test. That is the module name, right? Module name, category is the module name. Then if there is any, suppose if there is any exception, right? Not equal to, throwable not equal to null, we can add that to the throwable. What is the region, failure region, right? This is the generic method for pass test, fail test, skip test. Just we are iterating test cases one by one, and then just we are logging, creating extend test and logging, right? Just log if it is a, right, status. If there is any exception, just add that exception also. Otherwise just status, whatever status we will pass, that is. And then test case, what is the status, pass means passed, failed means failed, skipped means skipped. Simple thing, right? Right, we will get from the context pass test separately, fail test separately, skip test separately, right? All we will not get at once, we have to get one by one. And pass, fail, skip, just for this method pass this, iterate and create. For each method create test and then assign. This is an optional, but if you assign it, it will show clearly which module how many test cases are executed. If there is any exception, you add that exception, otherwise just log it. When this will execute, once all the test cases are executed, then this listener executed. To execute this listener, what we require, right? We required, where this, I have created one XML file, right? We have to listener, we have to enable this listener, otherwise, right, that will not execute. We have to enable that listener with the package name, along with the package name and class name. Full name of the class we have to give. Then just I will enable this also, right? Simple test, one login test case, right? Right, this is the orange HRM. Right, previously orange HRM is not working. Let me check the website still working or not. I think still this website was down. Just anyway, just we can just trigger it, right? Just I will right, I will comment it out. Anyway, application was down, right? What I will do is just get driver dot get off something, Google dot anything, any website, other website. Here repository is there, right? Just will open this, right? Will open this, just simple. Okay, fine. Now just run it, right? Okay, then it will run the parallel tests, thread count 3, right? I have 3 test cases, right? Parallel test 3 Thread count 3 means what? From first test case it will take 1, second test case it will take 1, third test case it will take 1. 3 test cases I have given 3. So at a time 3 threads will open and execute it. Right, Chrome was opened. This is right, remaining all are running in headless mode. Right, Edge and Firefox will run in headless mode. Just it will open the report. That's it. So just we want to see the how report will generate. That's it. Right. Right. If you log the listeners right in the report, if you generate report in the listeners, right, what is the advantage is right? If you run parallel also, we no need to worry about right this generation of the report. We no need to worry about thread issues, right? Because it will execute at last, right? We can generate the report without any issues, right? But if you generate at a right inside a classes based test, if we create extent report, right? While creating extent test, we have to make sure right thread safe extent test we have to create. Otherwise, right, because of collisions, thread collisions, one steps will merge. Right. Okay. We'll see whether report is generated or not. Okay, where it will generate test output extent.html. Right, there is an exception because I think we don't have all the details, right? Right, okay. It generated. First tab is, second tab is exception. If you have any exceptions, right, we will get these exceptions. Third one is it will have a start and end time. Faster. Previously we have seen already this, right? These are all we will get. Here how many test cases are passed or failed. Events. Right, and then first tab we will get just test cases, all the test cases. Right. I did not add here right those right config details, system config details, report to title, those things. We can add all those things. In just high level I have shown you. You can add all those things, system config details, and then report name, right, theme, report to title, those things. Right. In this way, by using the right iReporter, we can generate after execution of all the test cases. We can iReporter will execute. It will fetch all the details and we can generate a report. If we want any additional details also, we can customize this. Right, we can also customize this report. Right, thanks for watching. If you like right my way of teaching and presentation, just subscribe to the channel, enable notification, and right, press the bell icon, comment it out. If you have any doubts or queries, please comment it out. I will reply to those. Right, thanks for watching.